Everyone thinks AI is getting cheaper. But Nvidia just announced AI PCs that cost triple what you're paying now, and business owners are lining up to buy them. Here's why. Hey everyone, I'm Mohammed, founder of Digital Dev. Today we're diving into one of the biggest shifts happening in enterprise tech right now, AI agent PCs. And I'm not just talking about faster computers. We're talking about autonomous AI assistants running locally on your employees' machines, handling repetitive work 24/7 without touching the cloud. But here's the thing, these devices aren't cheap. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly what these AI PCs are, why the biggest tech companies are racing to build them, what they'll cost your business, and whether the ROI actually justifies the investment. Let's go. For the last 5 years, we've all been conditioned to think about AI one way. You send data to the cloud, a massive data center processes it, and you get results back. That's how ChatGPT works. That's how most enterprise AI tools work. But something fundamental just changed. In June 2025, TechCrunch reported that Nvidia, Microsoft, Dell, and HP are launching a new category of devices called AI agent PCs. These aren't just regular laptops with slightly better specs. These are machines purpose-built to run autonomous AI agents locally, meaning the AI never leaves your office, never goes to a cloud server, and runs continuously in the background handling tasks. Think about that for a second. Your employee's PC isn't just a tool anymore. It's an employee itself. According to reports from Nvidia's announcements this year, these AI agent PCs will be equipped with specialized chips, specifically Nvidia's Nvidia RTX processors, that can handle large language models locally. We're talking about running models with billions of parameters directly on employee hardware. This is the opposite of everything we've been told about AI scaling. Previously, you needed enterprise cloud infrastructure. Now, your finance team member could have a local AI agent automatically reconciling expense reports in real time. Let's be clear about what's happening here. This isn't a grassroots movement. Nvidia is chasing what they call a $200 billion CPU market opportunity by pivoting AI-capable processors into every workspace. Microsoft is integrating its Copilot framework directly into Windows PCs. Dell and HP are racing to launch the first commercial AI agent PCs. Why? Because whoever owns the hardware-software layer for AI agents in the enterprise owns the enterprise AI infrastructure for the next decade. At Digital Dev, we've been tracking this shift closely because it fundamentally changes how we architect automation solutions for our clients. The stakes are huge. According to a 2024 McKinsey report cited in Industry Analysis, routine cognitive tasks account for 23% of all work hours globally. If even a fraction of those tasks get automated by local AI agents, we're talking about hundreds of billions in labor cost reduction. The companies enabling that shift, Nvidia, Microsoft, Dell, HP, will be the ones capturing value. It's not accidental that all four are moving simultaneously. Now let's talk numbers, because this is where the contradiction gets sharp. Early models from Dell and HP are priced between $3,500 and $5,500 for AI-optimized configurations. That's roughly 3x the cost of a standard business laptop, which typically runs $1,200 to $1,800. But wait, there's more. Most organizations will need to add specialized software licenses, IT infrastructure updates, and training. Factor in deployment, and you're looking at a true total cost of ownership, TCO, of roughly $6,000 to $8,000 per AI agent PC in year one. For a 50-person team, that's $300,000 to $400,000. For a 500-person team, you're pushing $3 million. That's terrifying at first glance. But here's where the math gets interesting. Let's say you have 5 employees doing routine data entry, document processing, email triage, and report generation. According to a 2024 Gartner report, knowledge workers spend approximately 30% of their time on routine administrative tasks. If an AI agent PC running locally can handle 60% of those tasks autonomously, you're unlocking 18% of that employee's time. For a $60,000 per year employee, that's roughly $10,800 in recovered labor per person per year. Scale that across even a 20-person department, and you're looking at $216,000 in recovered labor annually. Now, the AI agent PC cost $8,000 upfront, maybe $1,200 per year in maintenance and software updates. Payback period, less than 1 month. By month 2, you're in pure profit territory. And that's being conservative. In many cases, AI agents can boost accuracy on routine tasks, fewer data entry errors, faster processing, which creates additional financial gains that we haven't even quantified here. At Digital Dev, we help businesses identify exactly which processes have this kind of ROI, and we've seen cases where the payback is even faster, sometimes weeks, not months. Here's what keeps business leaders up at night. If AI agent PCs become the standard in the next 12 to 18 months, organizations that haven't started planning for them will find themselves at a competitive disadvantage. Why? Because your competitors will have effectively doubled or tripled their team's capacity without hiring. That's not theoretical. That's happening right now in tech-forward companies. The readiness window is narrow. Prices will eventually come down as competition increases and volume manufacturing ramps up. But that takes time. In the meantime, early adopters will capture disproportionate value. Furthermore, Microsoft and Nvidia are betting that by 2027, AI agents running locally on business PCs will be as standard as email is today. That means legacy hardware strategies, refreshing PCs every 5 years without AI optimization, will become obsolete faster than they ever have. If you're still deploying traditional business laptops in 2026, by 2027 you'll be replacing them because they can't support the AI workflows everyone else is running. But, and this is important, this isn't a slam dunk decision. There are real risks. First, security. Running large AI models locally means more computational surface area, more potential attack vectors, and more responsibility on your organization's IT team to secure these devices. Cloud-based AI has the advantage of massive corporate security teams at companies like OpenAI and Microsoft protecting the infrastructure. Local AI models? That's on you. Second, standardization hasn't happened yet. Right now, different vendors are pushing different architectures, different model compatibility standards, and different software ecosystems. Buying Dell AI PCs that run one software stack and HP PCs that run another creates fragmentation headaches. Third, there's a skills gap. Your IT team needs to understand how to deploy, maintain, and troubleshoot AI workloads on local hardware. That's a fundamentally different skill set than managing traditional business PCs. These aren't trivial concerns, and they're why working with experienced automation partners is crucial during this transition. If you're running a business with 20+ employees, here's my recommendation. Step 1. Audit your workflow. Identify the tasks that are routine, repetitive, and rule-based. These are your AI agent targets. Step 2. Calculate the true TCO and ROI. Don't just look at hardware cost. Factor in software, training, security, and infrastructure. Step 3. Start small. Deploy AI agent PCs to a pilot group of 5 to 10 employees in roles where the ROI is clearest. Measure results. Step 4. Scale based on what you learn. The companies that get this right will be the ones that treat AI agent PCs not as nice-to-have tech purchases, but as strategic workforce multipliers. That's what we focus on at Digital Dev, helping businesses figure out which automation investments move the needle and which ones are shiny distractions. If you want to run those numbers for your business specifically, that's exactly what we do. Here's my question for you. What routine tasks in your business would change everything if an AI agent handled them 24/7? Comment that below. I read every comment, and I'm curious what's broken in your workflow. Second, hit that subscribe button if you're serious about staying ahead of AI automation trends. Next week, we're breaking down how to actually deploy AI agents in your business without breaking IT security. You don't want to miss that. And third, if you want to explore whether AI agent PCs or other automation tools make sense for your business, visit mdigitaldev.com. We offer free strategy calls where we'll walk through your specific situation and show you the exact ROI opportunity. Let's go. Next week, we're breaking down the security playbook for deploying AI agents in enterprise environments. Trust me, this is critical. Hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss it. Catch you in the next one.